Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another haul. This time I'm doing a haul on Missy Empire and Missguided. Yes, all the misses. I got my Missguided package, so I can finally do this haul. And I also will be including my cousin's clothing brand, which is called Shop Oumou. I got two pair of glasses and this cute and this cute dress from her, so I definitely will be including that. So we're just gonna go ahead and start off with her first. So now the first thing that I got, I'm gonna start with my dress. This is like a one strap, like tie-dye colored dress. It is so, like, I love this material. She has like her little logo in here as well, like so cute. One thing about small businesses, black owned businesses, whatever, I love when they add in like the little details and make sure that their brand is very professional. I feel like that's what sets you apart from all the other businesses, just adding little details like thank you cards and all of that. Like that really sets you apart from all of these other brands out there. And she really does make sure that she pays attention to detail when it comes to all of those small things, and she doesn't just like buy something and then resell it. Like her tag is like in here, like you know where this dress is from. Okay, so yes, I love this piece. It made my body look real nice. Okay, my booty was sitting. I cannot wait to go out and like wear this somewhere. Like I don't know where I'm gonna wear this, but I know that the first festivity that is out and that's allowed in New York City, I'm in there with this. Okay, don't play with me, baby. The next things that I got were shades. Okay, this one is called the Huncho girl shades. So cute. Like, guys, seriously, can we just take a minute to just, I'm a sucker for shades. I love me some really nice shades, and this is just like it is so freaking cute. Like just imagine this on this right now. Like, baby, who are you talking to? You're not talking to me. Like, excuse me. Oh, I like I love me some shades. I'm a sucker for shades, and they all come with its own personal baggie so that you can protect your shades from scratches and stuff like that. If you're traveling, it comes with its own little travel bag. I like that a lot. The next one, which is my fave. Oh my god, this is just everything. Oh my god. Let me just put this on for you so you guys can see how she looks. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Like, you can't even see my eyes. Okay, you see yourself. You don't see me. You can't see me, baby. Like this, I love these shades. Like, I'm so happy that I got them. Like, they're so bomb. I forgot the name of them, but I will leave the name in the screen the same way that I did my other ones. I paired this in the video with the with my dress that you will see, that I will be mentioning in this video, but I paired it with that, and it just looks so like, I don't even know how to explain how this looks, but it's my favorite. Like I'm about to get this on like every color. I need a black one. I think she has a black one to it, and I'm gonna get the black one because this, I wasn't even expecting it to look like, it looked good on like in the photos, but in person it looks so much better, like so much better. So now the next pieces are going to be from Missy Empire. The first thing that I got, you guys seen this t-shirt when I was trying on my Shein pieces. It is just a regular oversized t-shirt. This one is called the Joya White Late but Best Dress slogan dress. I really just wanted an oversized shirt dress. Like if this was just a plain oversized shirt dress, I would have been fine with it. Like I don't really care for, you know, the back so much. Like it's cute. I really just wanted a shirt dress. Like I just really wanted a shirt dress to go with my belt. I got this in a size 10, I believe, because I wanted it to make sure that it was oversized. But I think that's a US 8 because Missy Empire also is a British like London based brand, so I think this was in a size 8, but it is what it is. Now the next piece that I got was just a plain like black sweatpants. You guys already know I love me some sweatpants, but they're a lighter sweat. I don't know if you guys can see, like, you see how it's like kind of see-through, so it's a lighter sweat. Like usually sweats are like double lined, but this is something that you can definitely wear in the summertime and not feel like too hot. Like wind can actually get through this. Right now they have a 15% off sale going on, so if you get this quickly, you can probably catch that 15% off sale. The next thing that I got was the Thea Sage white stripe ribbed midi dress. I got this in a size small medium. The sweatpants, I got those in a size 8 as well. I got this in a size small medium. I don't know why I got this. Like honestly, I feel like I was just so in love with the color, and I like the way the model looked in it, and I was like, oh, I should get this because this is so cute. But it's like, I'm gonna be hot in this, so I'm not gonna wear this anytime soon. I'll probably wear it like closer to the fall. But it was just a really cute dress. You guys will see it on, I'll put it in this here, but it was just a really cute dress, and I felt like, you know, I'm gonna wear it eventually. Maybe not now, but I'll wear it. The next thing that I got was the Kylie black extreme racer crop top. I got deodorant when I was trying it on, and a little bit of makeup as well. I'm gonna have to clean it, but regardless, I got this in a US 4. So this is how she looks. She does not look this beat up. It's like I really was just trying it on, and it's just like it got like this. It's so crazy. But anyways, the price of it was $13.31. I like the material. It is a little bit see-through. Let me just show you guys right here. You guys can see it, like it's faintly see-through. But I like this. You could wear it with like some jeans. I paired mine with a pair of jeans, which are also from Missy Empire, which I'm going to tell you guys about next. Or like some sweatpants or something like that. I feel like it's really cute. Like it's a good staple piece to have. You can pair it with almost anything. Okay, so the next piece is the Perry Denim MidWash straight leg split detail jeans. Now I got these in a size US 8, and the original price for this was $51.91. These jeans, I like them. I just wish they weren't as tall. Like I didn't know it was gonna be this long, and the model does not look long at all. I mean tall at all. So, and hers didn't look that long on her either, so I just didn't understand why this was so long. Maybe because I got it in a size 10, they made it longer. Well, a size 8, they made it longer. I should have got a size 6. I really could have got away with a size 6, but I just didn't know how Missy Empire's clothing fit. It was my first time ordering from them. So, but yeah, other than the fact that it's like super long, and I'm probably most likely gonna have to get it hemmed, which is annoying because it's gonna take away from the split at the bottom right here, which is the main reason why I bought it. It's really cute jeans regardless of all of that. It's really cute. So that is that, and that is all that there is for Missy Empire. So now let's get into Missguided. So for Missguided, the first thing that I got was like the eraser back crop top. I got this, I thought that I got this in a size 4, but I think I got this in a size 6, but it is a little bit too big for me, but it is what it is. I'm still gonna wear it. I'll just have to make sure that I wear it with the bra, which is annoying because it's a racer back, so I don't want to wear a racer back with a bra, but whatever. Like if I somehow grow boobs, then this will fit. But this was $7, I believe. Yeah, it was $7. I don't believe I used a coupon code. Oh, I did. I took like it was 10% off, so maybe it was a little bit more than that. I don't know, but it was $7 for this. I like this. I feel like I'm gonna get more colors, but seeing how big a size 6 is, I'll probably go for more so like a size 2 or maybe a size 4, but most likely a size 2. So that's the first piece. The second thing that I got was the black Croc leather trousers. I got this in a US 4. I got this to pair with my Shein bodysuit, the one shoulder bodysuit. I feel like this would look really cute with it, especially with that black bag, like the black Croc detail bag that I showed you guys. I feel like this would look really, really cute with it, like really, really nice, and it gives me like high end, but it's not high end prices. For $28, I like the material. It definitely does have stretch to it, and on the tag it says, avoid mixing me with light colored garments and upholstery. I can't be responsible for color transfer, sorry. I can also freak out during washing and any contact with water, so treat me with care. So I'm guessing you're supposed to get this dry cleaned and not wash it. So just keep that in mind if you buy this. I always try to make sure I read the tags because the tags will tell you exactly how to take care of your items. So yeah, that's that. So the next pieces that I got was a set. It is the Missguided pocket detail cargo trousers and the corset top, the matching corset top. The top was $19. This is how she looks. It is like one of those like trending tops, you know, that you've been seeing everywhere. I got this in a size, I believe 4. And I got the trousers in a size 6. So that is her, and this is how the trousers look. I feel like these are gonna look really, really cute with like some white sneakers, with like some white socks. Like I feel like this is just gonna look really, really cute. I can't wait to wear this. And it's really light. It's a really, really light. It reminds me of like the what are those, like bomber jackets? I don't know if I'm using the right term, but you guys know what type of jacket I'm talking about. It's like, it's a really light material, and it has like pockets right here, on both sides. So yeah, that's her. I had also ordered a pair of gray sweats because I had completely forgot that I had a pair of gray sweats and they sold out, but I'm happy that they sold out anyways because I didn't need no more. But yeah, that is the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you guys want to see more of my hauls, then give this video a big thumbs up and let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.